What actually happens inside your knuckle when you crack it? When you pull your finger, the joint space suddenly expands. Pressure drops fast, and dissolved gas snaps into a tiny bubble. That bubble collapses instantly. The pop is a rapid pressure shock, and your brain reads it as relief. The joint capsule stretches slightly, movement feels smoother, and your mind enjoys the reset. Do it often, and the joint adapts. The crack comes easier, not because of damage, but familiarity. Clean truth. Nothing breaks. Your knuckle just hits a satisfying reset button. Follow Bone Deep for more videos like this.